Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with another gorgeous bridal makeup tutorial, and for today's look I have created this pink, blue, sea green like peacock inspired double cut crease eye look with glitter eyeliner, and you won't believe I have used a super duper affordable eyeshadow palette to create this look. And in case you are a fan of colorful looks like me, then you are definitely going to enjoy this look. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. I have done my brows off camera. Now I am taking my Wet n Wild Incognito concealer in the shade medium neutral, and I am applying it as my eyeshadow base. You can use any concealer or eyeshadow base that you have in your collection. I personally love this stuff. It is pigmented but not like overly pigmented. It is not too drying, not too emollient, or not too thick or thin. The consistency is just perfection, and it does not crease easily on my eyes, and it makes my eyeshadows long lasting. To set the concealer in place, I am going with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 15 Light, and I'm just setting the concealer with the help of this small highlighter brush. And I'm applying these eyeshadow shields which I purchased from Amazon. In case you do not have any eyeshadow shield, you can go ahead and grab any sticky tape that you have in your collection. Now for my eyes, first I'm taking this bright hot pink shade from my Beauty Glazed Color Board eyeshadow palette. Yes, I am using the purple palette here, and first I am taking that pink shade and I am applying it as my transition color with the help of this large fluffy blending brush from Gala Beauty, and I am slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness, and I'm barely touching my skin. I am using back and forth motion as well as circular motion here, and I wanted that pop-up color today, so I just used that pink, and it is so pretty. Now I am taking this kind of reddish burgundy shade. When you look at the shade, it looks brown, but when you start to apply it, it has a strong red undertone to it. And with this Morphe M456 brush, I am applying it as my crease color. Since I have hooded eyes, I am placing the color a little bit higher than usual, and I am building up a new crease for myself. And again, I am doing the same thing here. I am just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. Recently shared with you a full in-depth review and swatches of this eyeshadow palette. I will link it down in the description bar below, so please go ahead and check that out. I mentioned in my review that I freaking love the matte shades in this palette. The matte shades are so pretty. They blend beautifully. They are not chalky or powdery at all, and they are very, very pigmented. Look how beautifully the shade is blending. And now taking the first shade, I'm just blending out the edges so that there is a nice and smooth gradient effect. Now it's time to cut the crease, and for that I'm using this lip brush from Pune store, which I got from Amazon a long time ago, I think back in 2016. And I'm just cutting my crease, and I'm placing the concealer a little bit higher since I have hooded eyes. And as you can see, I am kind of winging it out like this. This step is quite self-explanatory. You can see what I am doing here, and yeah, just like that. Now I am taking my Garnier Micellar water, and with the help of this Q-tip, I'm just removing the concealer underneath, because the pink shade was peeping through and it was so pigmented, and I did not want it to peep through when I apply my lid shade. So I'm just cleaning up my eyelid here. Now I am just reapplying the concealer with the help of the same lip brush that I used for my cut crease, and I wanted to keep it real and keep it really elaborated so that you can have a clear idea about how I create my eye looks. and now just blend it out using the same damp sponge. And I'm just setting the concealer again with the help of the same Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. Now taking a matte black shade from another palette, I am just applying it on my outer V area, and I am creating a negative space right there. Like you can see that gap. That is why it is called a double cut crease look, and I'm creating that double cut crease. I wish this palette had like one matte black shade and one true gold shade. Then it would be really like an amazing palette, but sadly it doesn't have any black eyeshadow, so I had to go ahead and use black shade from a different palette. And I'm just intensifying the black color here. And now I am taking this matte royal blue shade from the blue palette, and I am placing it next to the black eyeshadow, and it will like create a gradient effect from the shimmery blue shade to the black shade. And again I'm just stamping the color, and the brush that I'm using, it is again from Pune store. It is the lip brush from the brush kit, and I am just building it up. And you can see this particular shade is not patchy at all, though it's a very pigmented shade. It was blending beautifully. And now I am taking this kind of satin shimmery royal blue shade, and I am placing it next to the blue eyeshadow. And you can see since I applied that matte royal blue shade, it just helped the shadow blend well with the matte black shade, and it instantly created that gradient effect. Now I am taking this sea green shade from the green palette, and I'm applying it on the inner part of my eyelid with the help of this flat shader brush from Morphe. Morphe brushes are so good, they are available on Nykaa, so in case you are considering buying them, just go ahead and grab them. These brushes are so good. And at the same time I'm blending it out with the blue shade. Now I am taking this e.l.f. glitter eyeliner. Actually it's a glitter eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Flirty Birdy. And with the help of this eyeliner brush again from Morphe, I am applying it on the negative space, oh my god, that I just created to add that, you know, jazz to the look. And I'm being very cautious here because I do not want to mess up my cut crease, and I really liked today's cut crease. And now taking my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black, I am just drawing a regular wing here, and for that I'm using another eyeliner brush again from Morphe. You know, some days I feel like my cut crease a little meh, but today's cut crease was chef's kiss. And with the help of my Milani Lasting like Drama eyeliner something, I will mention it in the description box down below, I used it for tight lining. And now taking that matte royal blue shade, I'm smudging out my entire lower lash line with the help of this angled brush from Pune store. And I'm applying that sea green color right here on the inner corner just to like tie the look together. And I'm highlighting my inner corners as well as my brow bones using my, I think it is my Precious Petals highlighter from Wet n Wild. And now I am just elongating the eyeliner here, and I'm giving it a V shape so that my eyes look wider and bigger. You can see the difference between two eyes. This step is a must for me. And now I am curling my lashes with my eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. I will be using falsies, of course. This look needs falsies. And for my falsies, I'll be using these Gala lashes from Kiss Off Camera, and here is the completed look. Oh, I loved it. I loved it. Like, I love colorful looks, and this look is like next level, and I think it is so glam and wearable at the same time. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. It will be like so much helpful for me, So please let me know, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links with all the products that I have used in this video will be mentioned in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. So yes, see you soon in my next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.